Guys, you want this. Look at this beauty. You want it. You want it. Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. And it is completed, guys. There you have your Rubicon. Completely transformed, guys. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful leather work. You want this in your vehicle? Absolutely. Get rid of the stinky, uncomfortable, ugly cloth seat, guys. Get leather. Leathertech.com by Upholstery Technology.com. See how beautiful it ended up, guys. Beautiful double stitch. And you know which is the best part, guys? It has cooling and heating. 3 levels of cooling, 3 levels of heating in this system, guys. If you want to upgrade to our top of the line, please inquire about the prices, guys. Over 60 different colors and combinations for virtually any vehicle, guys. Special editions. Diamonds, double diamonds, hex, double hex. Just look at that beauty. Woo! Exotics, ostrich, alligator, suede skin. All available at leathertech.com by Upholsterytechnology.com. Like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how we do your beautiful leather seats at leathertech.com by Upholsterytechnology.com. Because, guys, we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. One more time, guys, because you want this interior in your vehicle. Thank you for watching, guys.